All right, we're going to try something different today. We're going to do an estimate mystery. Okay, it's called Mystery Pieces. So you need a piece of paper and a pencil. If you don't have that, you need to pause this video until you have that. All right, so you see a picture of some game pieces. Some of them are yellow, some are blue, white, red, and green. Okay, and they're in this cup, and they fill the cup all the way. And there's some on top of the cup. It's like be easily to fall out. Okay, I want to know how many pieces there are. Now you can try to count them, but there's some pieces in there that you can't see on the back because they're hidden. I want you to try to estimate, come up with a number of pieces you think are in that cup right now. Once you have that number, I want you to write it down. Write that number down. All right, I'm going to show you 5 clues. And as you see each clue, uh, your possibilities are going to narrow into a smaller set. After each clue, you need to figure out, is my number still possible that I have written down? If your number is not possible, you're going to have to write down a new estimate. Okay? So you've got that first estimate written down, and then after each clue, you're going to see if that's possible. Okay? Here we go. Clue number 1. If you count by twos from 10 to 30, the answer is one of those numbers. So, like 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, all the way to 20. To 30. If you count by twos from 10 to 30, you're going to say the number. Look at your estimate right now. Is your estimate one of the numbers you would say if you're counting by twos from 10 to 30? If it is, then you may have the number. If it's not, you're going to have to make a new estimate. Make that estimate now if you need to. Clue number 2. Look carefully and you'll see 4 blue pieces. Right over there in that cup, there's 4 blue pieces. The answer does not include the digit 4. So if the estimate you have written down right now has a 4 in it, it's no good. The answer does not have a 4 in it. So if your answer doesn't have a 4 in it, you're in good shape right now. If your answer does have a 4 in it, you need to cross it out and make a new estimate right now. Clue number 3. The answer does not include the digit 0. Oh, so it's not 10 and it's not 20 and it's not 30. If you had those numbers, get rid of them and make a new number. If your number is okay right now, you may have the number. Clue number 4. The answer is not 22 or 28. Oh, I got some people there, didn't I? Yeah. So if you had 22 or 28, you need to make a new estimate. If your number wasn't 22 or 28 and your number survived through clues 1, 2, and 3, you may have the number. All right, after seeing those clues, we've narrowed it down to a small set of numbers. Before you see the answer, select your final estimate right now. Write it down. All right, we're going to have the big reveal. Let's see who has the right number. Click to see the answer, and the answer is 26 pieces. All right. I hope you come up with 26 pieces. I wonder how many people did that on the first try. Oh, I know I wouldn't have gotten 26 on the first try. All right. Hope you've enjoyed our game. Um, more games like this to come. Thank you.